Lesson: India's Gift to the World. Summary Part 2. Purity is Power. Purity is divine gift for mankind on this earth. Purity of body promotes our physical health. Purity of thought promotes our morality, and purity of mind provides us mental peace. Purity of heart promotes unselfish love for humanity. Purity of action develops sense and unselfish service. Purity of society develops the spirit of harmonism, unity. Purity of environment provides us soul elevating peace. Purity of mind makes our vision, words, and deeds pure. Purity makes a man so great and powerful that he can change a bad one into a good man. Purity provides us spiritual power and lightness over brain. Purity is the key to all success. The Pandavas and the Kauravas were Drona's disciples. He called them for a test. The eldest of the Pandavas, Yudhishthir, was asked to search an evil man, and similarly the eldest of the Kauravas, Duryodhan, was asked to each a good man. Yudhishthir was pure hearted, found everyone to be pious and pure, and Duryodhan was impure minded, found every evil and impure. Therefore, neither Yudhishthira could find out an evil man nor Duryodhan found out a good man from the society of Hastinapur. Both of them failed in their mission. The proverb, as is the mind, so is the vision, holds well in both the cases. All things are good to the good, and all things are bad to the bad. Baba Hari Baba was Sant. He was pure and pious by heart and soul. He lived a very simple life. One day, when he was asleep, a thief entered his house and ran away with vessel's bowl containing food. The Sant woke up and he saw the running thief. Baba picked up the remaining two vessels containing boiled vegetables and curd. He ran after the thief, approached, reached him, and told him with love, "Child, the food is insufficient for you. You may have this also. Please sit and eat without hurry." When the thief heard these words full of love, he changed. Prostrates, surrender himself before the Sant and begged pardon, said sorry. In this way, the purity of mind and heart of Baba changed the mentality of the thief. The crane episode is related to Gautam Rishi, who wanted to obtain certain powers through tapasya. As a part of his tapasya, one day the Rishi was having a holy dip in the river when the droppings interstellar west of a crane sitting among the branches of a tree fell on his head. The rishi got angry and killed the bird with his angry gaze. He became proudly. After this, he went to a nearby village to have alms. When the house lady got let to come out, Gautam became angry. After this, she said that she was not a crane. Hearing this, Gautam got surprised and humbled that how did she know it, which happened before some time. It happened becomes because she was doing her service for her family sincerely. Then she sent him to a man who was also pure and simple. That lady and the pious man deleted all Gautam's pride, and since then Rishi Gautam became simple and gentle. It was power of purity. the method of bringing up and the atmosphere available around us greatly influence the kid's life. One who is brought up in the peaceful and civilized atmosphere becomes gentle and civilized, while the other who is brought up in an uncivilized atmosphere becomes incivilized. We can understand it through the parrot episode. There were two parrots born together from the same mother. One of them was brought up by hunter and other by scholar good person. One who was brought up by hunter, it was very bad, rude and uncivilized, while the other one brought up by scholar learned to speak softness, sweet and polite. Thus snakers and environment influence people very much.